Let's learn about connected devices in your network. Tap on Devices in the bottom menu to view the list of your connected devices. The list can be unsorted or sorted by status, people, or type. By tapping on status, you can see Wi-Fi signal strength and status by device. You can also pause or enable internet access. By tapping on people, you can see the Wi-Fi signal strength by person, pause or enable internet access. See which person a device is assigned to, and see unassigned devices. By tapping on type, you can see the Wi-Fi signal strength and status, organized by the type of device, such as computers, doorbells, or security cameras. Easily add devices for each of your contacts. Enjoy your Wi-Fi and visit vtc.net for more information.